Hello and welcome everyone. Goodwill hopes that you have been having a great day thus far. Today we bring to you the first of a 6-part video series aimed at teaching you how to place orders. Today's video presentation will teach you how to place limit and market orders using our Infinity Trading Terminal. For the purpose of this presentation, we will be taking the example of the TCS script for order placing. Without any further delay, let us delve right into what exactly a limit order is. A limit order allows you to buy or sell a particular script or a contract at a specified or particular price, provided the conditions are right for placing that order. Let us now see how a buy limit order is executed. A buy limit order is executed at a price which is less than or equal to the limit price that you have set. Basically, you set an upper limit or the maximum price which you are willing to pay for a particular product, and if that condition is satisfied, the order will get executed. A simple example, suppose you go to the market to buy 1 kilo of apple and you have set a budget of 100 rupees. You come across a seller who is currently willing to sell you 1 kg of apple at just 90 rupees, which is 10 rupees below your budget. Do you buy? Of course you do, because it satisfies your budgeted condition. This is the logic behind a buy limit order executing at a price which is less than or equal to the limit price. Similarly, for a sell limit order, the order will get executed at a price which is greater than or equal to the limit price. You have an old second-hand watch which you are willing to sell at 1000 rupees. Suddenly you come across a businessman who is willing to pay 1100 rupees for the same watch. He is willing to offer you 100 rupees more than your asking price. Do you accept the conditions? Of course you do. You are getting 100 rupees extra. This is the reason why a sell limit order is executed at a price which is greater than or equal to the limit price. Now some considerations before placing a limit order. First off, you need to make your buy or sell decision. Do you buy the script or do you sell that script? Next, you need to settle on a price at which you would like to buy and sell. Thirdly, you need to check the current market price and place your limit buy or sell order accordingly. Why? Let's look at a simple visual representation of limit orders. For TCS equity share, the price that is currently trading at the market is 2734. You would like to buy TCS script at 2730. In this case, it is right for you to place a buy limit order at 2730. But if you would like to buy this same script at a price above 2740, do you place a buy limit order? Of course not. What happens in this case is, as soon as you place a buy limit order at 2740, the order will execute at the current market price, which is 2734. Why? Because a buy limit order executes at a price which is less than or equal to the limit price which you have set. In this case, 2740 is greater than 2734, which is the current market price. So the order executes immediately. Basically, you have set a budget of 2740, but you're offered the product at 2734, so you take it. Similarly, for a sell limit order, if you sell at 2740 using a limit order, the order will stay pending in your order book till the price of 2740 is reached. But if you place a sell limit order at 2730, the current market price of 2734 is 4 rupees higher than the price which you are willing to accept for selling TCS. So the order will execute at the current market price, which is 2734 itself. With this, let us move on to a live demo of how to place limit orders in Infinity Trading Terminal. So this is what the Infinity Trading Terminal looks like. First off, you would like to place a buy limit order. For placing a buy limit order, first check the current market price of TCS share. As you can see here under the LTP column, TCS is currently trading close to 2722. So in order to place a buy limit order, what you need to do is place it at a limit price which is lower than the current market price. I decide to buy it at 2710. To open the buy limit order window, you can either press F1 or the plus button. Additionally, you can also go up here in trade and select the buy order entry window. Now check the details: exchange NSE, instrument equity, symbol TCSEQ, order type limit, product type CNC since I would like to hold the share in my demat account, quantity just 1, and the price you modify it to 2710. Now you submit and confirm your order. Since there is no balance in this trading account, the order got rejected, as you can see from the RMS message. Now you would like to place a sell limit order. For sell limit order, the condition was the limit price should be higher than the current market price. In this case, the price which is running in the market is 2720. Now to place a sell limit order, what you need to do is press F2 or the minus button. Additionally, you can go here to the trade option and select sell order entry to open the sell order entry window. Once again, check the details: exchange NSE, instrument equity, symbol TCS EQ, order type limit, and product CNC, because I would like to sell that share from my holding. The quantity will be 1 and you would like to sell it at a price which is higher than the current market price. In this case, I will select the price 2730. Click on submit and confirm the order. Once again, it was rejected because of no limit in the trading account. Now that we have finished with the demo of our limit order, we move on to market order. So what is a market order? A market order lets you buy or sell a script at the best available price, which is usually very close to the current market price. What are the details you need to remember while placing a market order? First off, there's no price entry required while placing a market order in both Nest and Infini. Market orders are usually executed almost immediately at the current market price or very close to it, depending on the liquidity of that script. Now let us show you a short demo on how to place market orders in Infini. Once again, we are back to our Infini trading terminal. In order to place a buy market order, what you need to do is select the script TCS, press F1. Here, in the order type, change it to market. Now you can see that the price has changed from a particular number to MKT. You can input a number in percentage terms here under market protection to limit the price range of the execution of your market order. In this case, I'll leave it as blank. I would like to buy TCS to hold in my Demat account, so the product type should obviously be CNC. Now I submit and confirm my order. Once again, the order gets rejected due to no limit in this trading account. But if you have some balance in your trading account, the order will usually get executed at a price which is very close to the current market price. Now let us look at a sell market order. Once again, we select the script TCS, press F2 to open the sell order entry window. Change order type to market. The price once again becomes MKT. I leave the market protection as blank and I submit and confirm my order. The order gets rejected obviously because of no limit. But if you had TCS holdings in your Demat account and you had sold it at the market price, the order would have gone through at the best available price at that particular point of time. With this, we come to an end of our video presentation on how to place limit and market orders. Thank you for opening an account. Please do give us a missed call at 90037 90027 and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.